And here we can type in any URL or a shortcut that we have for you for our website, ledbytheunknown.com. 370178. Are you looking for new movies and TV shows, all available on the Amazon Fire TV Stick, on applications that are not available in the App Store? So here, the first one, we can click on Cinema, and the next one is on Stream. Now, downloader does need to be allowed to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. My name's Lee. I'm here to help you with your Amazon device needs. First thing we'll need to do, head over to the search icon. Push down, we can click on it, and we can use the Alexa voice or type in Downloader. Downloader is the orange icon that we need to install on our Amazon Fire TV Stick. We can click on it. It'll ask us to download it. I already own it. You may need to get it. So download it. It will install it onto your device automatically. While it's installing, guys, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And you can get more of these videos on how-tos for your Fire TV Stick. Once the app's downloaded, we can just open it up right now. Allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. A quick start guide, you can read through it if you want. Press OK. And here we're just going to press OK once, OK twice on our select button. And here we can type in any URL or a shortcut that we have for you for our website, ledbytheunknown.com. 370178. And then we can just hit the play button or the go button on our remote. Once this 5-second redirect is completed and the download section is installed, we can hit our 3-line button on our remote and add this page to our favorites so that we no longer have to wait for the 5-second redirect. You can actually just come down to the sidebar there under favorites, click on it, and then click downloads, and that sends you right to the page, nice and easy. So we're looking for new movies and TV shows. So we can just slide down a bit here on the downloads page. Movies and TV shows, the best apps for 2025. Let's find some movies for you to watch. So here, the first one, we can click on Cinema. Takes us to the download section. Just scroll down. All these applications do have some tutorials and how-tos and demonstrations on how the videos work. We can just click on the first one. It's a short little installation file. Now, downloader does need to be allowed to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. So in this case, we just click Settings, and under Installed Unknown Apps, click it, find Downloader, and we can turn that on. Now, downloader is able to download and install applications that are not available through the Amazon App Store. So we can just click up back once, and once more, and it'll take us back to the downloader application. And here we can hit install. And this will allow downloader to install this application. We only need to do this once. You can front upload it. We only need to do this once. We are able to change this setting prior to opening downloader. This is a different way. So down at the bottom right, we'll click install. And once it's installed, we'll just hit highlight and click on done and delete the installation files we no longer need it on our device. Delete. Now we can back to the downloads page. Back out to the downloads page. And the next one is on stream. And again, it'll ask you to install it down on the bottom right. And of course, click done. Delete the installation file. Delete. And we're good to go. Now let's find these applications on the Fire Stick. Head all the way to our 3 squares plus sign. Click on it, our apps and games section. The last things we've downloaded will end up at the bottom of the list. So we can just head down. Now if we use our little 3-line button on our remote, we can move this to the front. Same with the other application. Move it to the front. And same with downloader. Let's move it to the front. So now we have our new app store up front and our new applications we just downloaded for our Fire Stick. These apps are not available on it, but they are now for you. Enjoy, happy streaming.